Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add Stripe payments to your Softr website. No coding, no confusion. Whether you're selling digital products, membership, or services, this will get you set up fast. Let's dive straight into it. First, log into your Softr dashboard and go to your app. Now head into the Integrations tab, then click on Stripe. Sign in with your Stripe account or create one if you haven't already. Once connected, Softr will be able to process payments securely for you. Next, go to your Softr editor and scroll down through the available blocks. Choose a pricing block or a checkout block, whichever fits your layout. Click the block and configure it with your product name, description, and price. You can also set up monthly or yearly plans if you're offering subscriptions. Once you've entered the details, link the payments to your Stripe product or price ID. This way, when users click buy or subscribe, they'll go through Stripe's secure checkout flow. After a successful payment, you can redirect users to a thank you page or client dashboard. Just go into the block settings and set a custom redirect URL. Also, make sure your Stripe webhook is set up properly if you want to track successful payments inside Airtable or automate emails. And that's it. You now have Stripe payments fully integrated into your Softr site, perfect for digital goods, membership, portals, and more, all without touching a single line of code. If this video did help, make sure you subscribe and like.